In this video, we'll center a hole on a sphere. We'll draw it on the origin. That's the secret to easily centering the hole. So I'm going to click Create, Sphere, click on the horizontal plane, click on the origin, and then drag or type in the size of the sphere. Then click OK. Now I'm going to click on it, right-click, and choose Move. I'm going to move it straight up. Then I'll hover over the view cube and click the house icon and orbit a bit by holding the center mouse button and the shift key just to center this a bit. Now I'll click on Create Sketch, click on the horizontal plane, and I'll click on the house again. Click on the circle, click on the origin, and then draw the diameter that I want and finish the sketch. Now I'll click on the sketch, right-click, choose Press Pull, and drag it straight up. Make sure the operation is on Cut, and click OK. And there you have it.